Hey, how's it going on? Azisa here. So in this video, we are looking at the difference between the regular Profite machine and the supercharged Profite machine. So quickly, what is the regular Profite machine? It's really a very simple 3 steps, right? So step 1, you just join the Facebook group. Step 2, which is step 3 here, you create your affiliate link so that you can start promoting. And then step 4, you send traffic. That's it. It's very simple, right? So it's 3 steps. So when I say traffic, I'm not talking about this type of traffic, but rather I'm talking about people seeing what you are advertising, right? So I'm talking about this traffic. So basically, the company, the Profite machine company, will give you access to those opt-in pages that you can use to advertise your business. So basically, when people put their email information here, so basically the company will do all the heavy lifting. So just before we continue, this opt-in page in particular is very powerful when you do solo ad, and I will show you a little results before we continue. So quickly, I was saying, so when people put their information here, the company will do the heavy lifting. So basically, they will do the email marketing, right? They will send emails, they will do the follow-up, and then when you get commission, when you get sales, you will get the commission. The commission will be for you. So so basically, it's the path of least resistance. The company is doing the heavy lifting for you with the regular Profite machine, right? So the only thing is you don't have control on those leads, right? So those leads are with the company follow-up systems. And here the affiliate commission is 40%, and you can check my video on Profite machine, that describes everything, about the tier commission. And now let's see the upsell. So the upsell, as it's well highlighted here, is completely optional. It's 100% optional, but 100% worth it, right? So, and let's see why now. So first of all, your commission will jump to 70%, right? So which is nice. And let's quickly see now the inside here, right? So this is let me go back, right? And this is what we have in my presentation here. It's exactly the same, and we're gonna look at the bonus string, right? So you have a quick easy step instruction, and then here they explain why it's important, right? And also you have the opportunity to create a free system IO account, so it means you don't need to upgrade, which is awesome. And then for step 1, basically you will import the done for you opt-in pages, and step 2, you will import the done for you emails. So by the way, when you import them, you have at least I think let's see, you will have 25 emails here, 25 emails. All right. Yeah, let's come back over here. So So this is step 2, and then for step 3 here, basically they will teach you how, simple thing, how to edit your affiliate link, so that you will remove the company affiliate links and you put your own affiliate links, right? So that all the sales are attract to you, right? So and now let's see the traffic method number 1. Short form video, as you know, is very important, and here you will learn how to create TikTok videos, Facebook, YouTube, etc. How to create a killer bio that convert, 100 done for you video that you can copy your model, as you wish. So you have ton of information here. So free traffic means, you have to use the time. So traffic, it's two things: either you pay with your time or you pay with your money. This is two things. So, and in traffic method number 2, you will learn everything about, not everything, but you will need, it's this is, you will learn really what you need really to crush it with Facebook organic. Really, you learn tons, right? So from optimizing your Facebook profile, creating content, that are engaging. So this is very important. And traffic number 3, they are planning guest speaker. Recently we have Alex Ford that did an amazing training, and let's go back quickly here and show you here, higher commission. All that means you create your affiliate link so that you can be able to earn the 70% commission. So let's go here for the traffic side. So the traffic, the system here is when you click on that, you'll go to traffic for me, right? So traffic for me, it's a reputable company, but you have the option to use Udemy, and the other solo ad providers. So what is important, it's really to track what you're doing. So let's take this solo ad here. So basically my opt-in page here is converting as more than 50%, so which is great. So that's what we are looking for. We are looking for something that convert at least 50%. Let's quickly come here, right? So we have the step 3, and then step 4, the traffic, and then here the additional income stream here. So basically you will get free, the opportunity to register for free and have the affiliate link for Legendary Marketer, 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator webinar, no face YouTube course. When we go here to system here, we can see here, here we can promote the Profit machine. Legendary Marketer is here, 70-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, and basically they are really planning to add more on the additional income stream. So really it's very important that you track what you do online. Tracking is really the key. You track and you measure. So guys, this is the end of our second review on the Profite machine. Really, that's points out the difference between the regular Profite machine and the supercharged Profite machine. So please, if you have any questions at any moment, drop the questions in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. Bye bye. See you in the next video.